Oh snap. So check this out. My last moringa seeds, they rotted. My cats had gotten them and kicked them around the laundry room, and the cat box is in the laundry room, so they had all the bacteria. The cats ruined it. So I started 2 new seeds last Saturday, I'll say. And now it is Friday, and look at these things. Boom, shakalaka. Look at these things grow so fast. So if you were with me with your little moringa seed, this is how it might look now. Or if you're thinking about growing a moringa seed, this is how they look when they start to sprout. Teeny, stop it, baby. Teeny tiny. Look at the little root. He's like, where do I go? Oh, here it is. I can't wait. So, just a little note. When you have little seeds that you're going to, just a little note. When you have seeds in the bag and you want to plant them from the bag to soil, always be careful for shocking it, because you're taking it from extremely high humidity to almost no humidity at all, which can cause shock in the plant and end up having your little seedling melt off. So what I do is when I transplant it from the bag to a pot of soil, I put you know how at the grocery store you get those vegetable or fruit bags? I put one of those on top of it. And the first day I have it just kind of, folded under the bottom. And then the second day I keep the bag on there, but I open it. I open the bag so that now it's slowly becoming acclimated to less and less humidity while it's becoming accustomed to being in soil. Oh, yes, Sasquatch, you come to say hello. So it's becoming acclimated to rapid decrease in humidity. Doing it that way, should lessen the chance. Now, you don't want to tie the bag so tight, and because now you have soil in there, and the soil has all types of little bacteria and molecules, and it can create mold. So don't throw it in the bag and put it someplace and forget about it, because you'll have moldy everything and it'll be ruined. Hello, Squiddy Diddy. Yitty mitty 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 mitty. So just a little quick update I want to show you guys. I'm super excited. I will show you how I see the cats are already coming for it. The cats are already coming. Here's 1, here's 2. They got it. Oh, kitty, get off of them. Alright, so I have already mixed up my dirt. I use an organic dirt. I buy it from my local big box store. And I put some perlite in there. It's not really a specific ratio that I use. I just like it to look like that. I filled up both of my pots with dirt before to know how much dirt I'd actually need. So I'm just going to take my mixed up dirt, put it in the container, a little bit of dirt, put it in the container, push it down a little bit. Usually there's going to be air pockets and whatnot if you don't push it down. I mean, you don't have to force it down so hard. It'll stick in there. Take that out. Do it to one. I'm going to do it to the other one. And since I have really big pots in my house, I usually do this. I keep the mess down by putting my little pots inside of my big pot. So whatever dirt I spill, it's okay. The dirt falls into the dirt. So when you're using the paper towel in the bag method, watch out, because sometimes your roots will grow through the paper towel. You don't want to break the root. Okay, it's not going to hurt your plant if you just pull off a little bit of the paper towel and put it in the soil with it. It's not a big deal. Just always keep your eye open for a little bit of root that has grown into, sorry I'm so shaky, that has grown into the paper towel. Alright, so I was pretty careful. I pulled off as much as I could, but it's growing all the way through, so I'm going to stick it down in there. Since we're in the sun, we got to move a little fast because those little roots, they have tiny hairs on them, and those little roots have tiny hairs on them, and they will dry out really fast in the sun. I'm going to fill it up pretty high because you know the stem is going to grow. It's going to grow up and up and up. And what I do, so that it doesn't get shocked from humidity, is put the bag that it was in right over the top. Like that. So that it doesn't have shock from going from inside of the humid bag to so much less humidity. And that's what I'm going to do to my next one. Alright, here's the other one. This one was a little bit taller than the other one. There was one short one, and this one's pretty tall. It's a very vigorous grower. It's ready to go. So I'm going to put the bag on, and then I'll show you how they look. These are the final products. I'm going to leave them in these bags for just, until the same time tomorrow. And then I'm going to take them out, take the bags off, and they should be able to acclimate. Like little holes right here on the side so that air can go up there. So it won't be as humid as when it was completely secured in the bag, but it will be kind of as humid. It'll give them a chance to acclimate.